I'm black, y'all. I'm black, y'all. I'm black, y'all. Hey y'all, I'm Elise. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. I'm super excited about today's video because today I get to shine a light on black-owned makeup brands. This was started, the first person that did this was Alyssa Ashley and Alyssa Forever. So this isn't new, but I thought we'd celebrate black-owned makeup brands, especially during this time, this season that's among us. It's a lot going on. If you guys would like to see how I got this look, then please keep watching. Okay, so this is also going to be a first impressions because some of the stuff I've never tried before. I got it just for this video. I'm going to prime my skin with the Black Opal Invisible Oil Blocking Gel Primer. So Black Opal is a black owned brand that used to not be black owned, but now it is. So the face I'm doing today is kind of dewier, more hydrating. So this is going to help my oil production. Next, we're going to go into the Fenty Beauty foundation. This is their hydrating longwear, and the shade is 390. I've never tried this before. I tried their matte foundation when it came out a couple years ago, and I feel like that foundation worked for everybody but me. So let's see how this one works. I mean, I already know how it's gonna work. At the end of the day, I'm gonna be an oily mess, but so you guys are probably watching this on July 4th or maybe the next day. I don't know. Tomorrow is the 4th of July. And this year I feel like everybody really celebrated Juneteenth. So I'm wondering how tomorrow is about to go. I live in Atlanta, so people have already really been out and about. Like Georgia was one of the first places to open and everybody was like, okay.
Okay.
Truth be told, y'all should have just celebrated Juneteenth and y'all need to pay tomorrow dust. Period. Only Christopher we acknowledge is Wallace. Only Independence Day we acknowledge is Juneteenth. Word to Biggie and me. So this foundation is like really pretty on the skin. Now for concealer, this is the Uoma, I think that's how you pronounce it, the Uoma Beauty Concealer in Bronze Venus T2. All the products are going to be below along with other brands that I'm not using, but other black owned brands that you guys can check out. In case you didn't know, I'm pretty sure the owner of this brand, find her name, Sharon Cutter. Hey Sharon C on Instagram. She started a campaign called Pull Up for Change. So it's kind of a pull up or shut up type thing. It's a direct action movement fighting for economic opportunities for black people. So basically she started a campaign where brands needed to come forward and show and reveal their statistics on how many black people they have hired. So a lot of brands had 0, surprisingly. And it started off with just makeup brands, but now it's all brands. So they got PayPal on here, Yelp, Lyft, Microsoft, Cosmopolitan. Like she did that. She got all these brands to come forward with their statistics. Everybody's giving the whole, we're pledging to do better and blah da 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 da. But some people dead had 0 black people. Like, it's surprising how in today's time you can have 0 black people on your team when black people kind of lead the industry, period. Not even gonna separate. Like, black people are the blueprint. I'm also gonna use this to prime my eyes. It's so funny how now everybody's wanting to, jump on board like, oh my gosh, black people You guys exist. Are Black people still not the #1 buyers of beauty products? The last statistic I saw however many years ago said that. On top of that, a lot of brands are just like, oh, we realize this is racist, but it's part of our general marketing and the whole foundation of us, so we're gonna change it. And it's just like, did you guys not know that from jump? This is blending out so pretty. The powder I'm using is the No Shine powder by Luscious by Lynn or AC Cosmetics. I always use this powder, so this isn't new. She's not as big as the other ones that I just used. That's really the issue. Like, there aren't a lot of Black owned brands that are like in store. It's like we need to get more of our brands into Sephora, Ulta, Walgreens, Black Opals, and Walgreens. I'm sure it's very expensive, which is why we need to support these brands so they can build up their capital. Another powder from AC Cosmetics and Luscious by Lynn. This is Butternut Beige. I'm gonna set my whole face. Next up, I'm going to use this Bakerie Better Not Bitter Coffee and Cocoa Bronzer palette. This has a bronzer, a blush, and a highlighter in it. Better Not Bitter. I like that message. So this is a brand that's actually been in Ulta and stores like that, so this one you may have seen before. This brand's marketing is chef's kiss. Like, literally, this is probably one of the cutest marketing I've seen of any brand. Their whole thing's about baking, so they have baking powders. The fact that this is coffee and cocoa palette, like, everything is so cute. They've got little eggs, like kind of like the little Easter egg looking things for like a blender, beauty blender. Like, it's very thought out. But yeah, we're gonna use the shade You're Grounded. So I actually think this bronzer is too dark for me. So I'm gonna mix some of Deja Brew. This is also a glowy bronzer, so you kind of have a little theme going on of glowing. If you have skin that's darker than mine, this would be perfect. I'm gonna use La Vida Mocha. We're going to use Ace Beauty. Was I recording? No. I took the shade Clove. Now I'm gonna take the shade Poppy. I'm gonna use this shade from Colored Raine called Shortcake. Colored Raine is sold in Target now, but when I first started buying from them, they were just online. I'm gonna put this on my lid. Okay, I'm gonna use Black Moon from Colored Raine. I'm going back in with the back in with Clove and Poppy under my eye. There's a gnat again.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
The quicker you wear your mask, the quicker we can be done with this. So get everybody on Team Mask. Get everybody on Team Mask. I'm going to use this Juvias Place highlighter. I know y'all done seen Juvias Place before. It's very popular. It's very inexpensive, but still cute, but still cute. Obviously, it's Black owned and it's in Ulta. Honey, For mascara, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. This is the mini version. Mini version. How cute. There are a few things that I'm not getting from anywhere other than the drugstore. Like, I'm not getting high-end mascara. I'm just not. So the fact that I even bought this is amazing. Okay. Last step is the lip. This is the Color Drain Cherry Blossom. So this is a red lip. Y'all really could do this for Valentine's Day. So this is the completed Black-owned makeup brand's B.O.M. makeup B.O.M. face tutorial. So if you guys like this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button because, I mean, no one's clocking you. Go ahead and do it. No one has to know. Just me. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
I'm black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, and I'm blacker than black, and I'm black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, and I'm black, y'all, and I'm blacker than black, and I'm black, y'all. I'm blickety black, blacker than black, black. I'm blacker than black, yo, because I'm black and I'm back. Yo, I'm black.